Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cop Tool, the authority on power tools. My name is Aaron and I'm here with Jay again.
Hey.
And we're going to take a quick look today at the Milwaukee Generation 2 M12 2504. This is the hammer drill driver and the 2553 impact driver. So Jay, first impressions, right out of the box.
I mean, right out of the box, you're really going for compact. So,
Right.
I mean, it's $229 for the 2598 set, which is, these together, one big battery, one small. I mean, you can get a cheaper 18-volt set. You are a professional who wants a compact tool, and so that's what they're going after.
That's what they're going after here.
So can you fit these in your tool belt kind of thing, throw it in your bag or whatever, with all your other stuff, get everything down to it.
And that really is the key feature of these,
Yeah.
is they're just small and they're powerful.
Right.
We used them to put a Tapcon screw into some block. We used them to drill through wood with a half-inch bit, and man, just blasted right through it.
Yeah,
Awesome
I mean, we were
power.
running it against 18, and it was, I mean, you could tell the difference with
It's a
18. It was
small difference, but
you're still getting the power you need, and it's just
so
nothing
small.
there.
Keep it in your belt, put it in your bucket, either way. So
I mean, another feature. So they go. This now has 4 speeds, so you have total control of you need a really light application, or you want to go
as hard as you can, or the screw setting. Yeah.
I mean, the same thing here. You get all of the features of an 18-volt drill. It's got 350 inch-pounds, which, I mean, it seemed like more than that.
It does.
We were going through stuff.
Really easy.
That seems low, but I mean.
Okay, the price of the kit, as you mentioned, is $229.
Yep.
But if you have the battery and you just want to buy the bare tool,
120.
like 120. This one's a little more.
Yeah, 129.
129. And great value for what you get for the compact tools. So that's only half the story.
For the rest of it, check out coptool.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and
We'll see you next time.